So guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. So today I'm bringing good news your way. I've been searching for this thing. I saw it and I said, let me share with people, because when you are editing, you're a new content creator, and then you're editing your video, and then CapCut is telling you to subscribe for how much, and you don't have that kind of money, and you don't want your video to be messed up with their CapCut watermark and all. So you just stranded, and or you don't know how to do it, you don't know how to go about it. And even if you want to use other watermark remover, you it's a video, you can't really remove it, because you have to be playing. I don't know if you have other means too, but me, I've searched and I didn't see, and it was frustrating me because I just started creating content new, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove it. It's just a simple step. If you know CapCut already, the steps will not be confusing. It just I'm not going to be using arrows to be pointing anywhere, but I'm just going to be saying it with my mouth. So let's just go straight into the video, and stay with me to the very last so you grab it. Okay, bye. So guys, let's start by opening our CapCut. Then we'll go over when we're inside CapCut. We'll go to the aspect ratio. Then you click on this 4.3. When you click on 4.3, it takes this thing down, the CapCut logo, it takes it down. So when it takes it down, you export, or maybe if you want to do whatever thing you want to do, you do it. But if that's all you have to do, you export your video. After exporting your video, then you go over to your photos. Then you click on the exported videos. Then you come over to edit, then you click on crop. Then you use crop and remove the logo that is down. Then after that, you let your video load. Then it's loading. So we allow it to load. It's loading, guys. I'm holding on so you can see the results after the edit. So it's loading. That's the final look. And then guys, see,
girl named Liko and her best friend, Plucky the chicken, decided it was time for a grand adventure on the beach.
To achieve your